Introducing my hands.
Hello and welcome guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. Guys, today I'm going to show about this viral reel introducing my handsome boss, which you have seen in the preview, okay? So guys, if you want to make this trend, keep watching this video and let's start. Guys, you need VN application to make this trend, which you easily find on your Play Store. So first install the VN application. When you open this app, you will get interface like this. Guys, to edit this trend, you need introducing my handsome voice text template, okay, and then 13 photos of yourself. If you have not wanted to make yourself text template, then you can download text template from my Telegram channel, and Telegram link is given on my description, okay? And if you want to make yourself text template, so in this video I will tell about how to make yourself text template, okay? If you will download the text template from my Telegram channel, so first import the text template. After that you will select your 13 photos. So to select the text template and your photos, click on the plus icon and click the new project option and select the text template and your 13 photos from your phone library. Okay, you have to select like this and have to forward from here. You can see guys, you have to take the text template and 13 photos like this. Now first you delete the VN default clip from here and select the ratio of 9.16 to increase your video quality, okay? And then guys, you will add the music on here. Music link given on my Telegram channel, and Telegram link is given on the description. So first you download the reel video. After that we will extract the music from that reel, okay? So guys, when you download that reel, after that you will click on the plus icon on here and click the music option, okay? Now guys, click on the plus icon and here you will get extract from video option. So click on this option and select that reel which you have downloaded from Telegram, okay? So I have to select that reel. Now have to click on the OK option, and guys have to click on the choose option and have to done from here. You can see music will be added. Now guys, we will trim the photos according to music. So first I trim the photos. After that I will tell you the photos durations because I can't listen music to you due to copyright issues, okay? So guys, you have seen how to trim the photos. Now note the photos duration. So guys, duration is very simple. Text template is given on my Telegram channel with perfect duration. You don't need change the duration, and other photo duration is same, which is 0.20 second. Now I'm telling about how to make your own text template. To make the on text template, click on the plus icon on here and take any beautiful photo from your phone library. Example, click on the video photo option. For example, I have to take this photo and have to forward from here. Now you have to add the text on this photo. So to add the text, click on the plus icon and click the text option and input the title here, introducing my handsome boy. Okay, now guys, you can select the fonts from here. Click on this option and select the fonts according to you. So I have to select this font and can also select the color for the text. So click on the color grading option and select the color according to you. I wouldn't change because I like white color, but you can select the color according to your photo, okay? Select the color and have to done from here. Okay, now guys, you have to keep the text timeline till the first photo, and duration will keep like this text template, which is 2.93 second. So decrease this text template and we'll keep the duration 1.93 second. like this. Okay, now you can increase this text and can place anywhere where you want. Okay, in this way you can make your own text timeline. And if you have not want to make your own text timeline, so you can keep this text template which is given on my Telegram channel. Okay, so guys, now your video is completed. You can save this video now. So to save the video, click on the export option from top right corner and have to done from here. Now guys, you have to click on the save to album option and video will be saved. So guys, how you like this video? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want trending videos notifications. So guys, see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.